In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reverse footage and adjust the speed of your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive right into Premiere. Okay, so here we are inside Premiere. Now I've got this clip here of a drone flying over a hill. If I play that forwards for you. There we go. So if I wanted to reverse this clip, all we need to do is right click on the clip itself and select speed duration. And in this box that pops up here, we just need to click on the reverse speed checkbox and press OK. And then if we come back to the beginning and play that through, you can see now it's flying backwards instead of forwards. So if we wanted to change the speed of the shot, we can do that as well by right clicking on the clip again and once more pressing speed duration. And then we can come into this percentage box here. We can either type a percentage in or we can drag the percentage up or down, and you'll see below that the duration of the clip is changing as I adjust the percentage speed. Alternatively, we can actually come into the duration box here and type in a specific duration we want the clip to be. So if I want it to be 1 second 12 frames, I can do that by just doing that. There we go, 1 second 12 frames and pressing OK. And there we go, the clip's now 1 second and 12 frames long. I really hope you found this Premiere Pro video helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel for more. If you have any questions or comments at all, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave them below. And if you want to take your video skills to the next level, head on over to v8videoacademy.com, where I've got loads of resources, guides and tutorials waiting for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.